2020 Harley Davidson Livewire. Switching from traditional fuel to electricity has been a popular trend in the world of vehicles for years. Motorcycles are no exception. Let's start with Harley Davidson. The famous motorcycle brand presented its first electric vehicle in 2019. The company had been working on a prototype since 2012 and sales are scheduled to start in July 2021. The price will be approximately $30,000. For this money, you can get yourself a vehicle with an aggressive design that can reach 100 km per hour in 3.5 seconds. The high voltage battery provides 235 km of city range or 152 km of combined stop and go highway range. Any household charger can be used to charge the bike. In that case, you will have to wait overnight at first charging stations. Livewire will be ready to go to 40 to 60 minutes. The Damon Hypersport HS. This electric bike from the Canadian company Damon Motorcycles was first shown earlier this year as part of the annual Consumer Electronics Show. It features an interesting design, a considerable power reserve, and high tech components that make the vehicle better than many ordinary motorcycles. The most remarkable feature is the copilot technology developed in collaboration with the Black Brake. It's a security system that monitors and surroundings throughout the ride. The cameras along with a set of sensors allows the systems to spot any threats and warn. Notifications on the dashboard as well as the vibration of the handlebar shift is another interesting technology that allows you to change the ergonomics of the motorcycle for different operating conditions on the go. On top of that, the Hypersport HS reaches its speed of up to 115 km per hour. The cruising range depends on the operating conditions and varies from 260 to 480 km. You can pre-order this electric bike right now for $25,000. Aspart's Cavett. The specialists of the American company Aspart's were inspired by models and developed Cavett. Its latest electric bike that's pretty obvious on its appearance. The manufacturer guarantees efficiency smooth rides in any situation and surpassed steering control. All of this is possible thanks for the invented air suspension for which provides a highly flexible bike configuration. Peak engine power is 1000 watts. The maximum speed is 45 km per hour. Other notable features include 5 levels of pedal assist and an LCD screen that displays all the important information about the ride. Brutus V9. This motorcycle will please all fans of the classics with its look. It does not give away its electric power and it looks like a traditional motorcycle. Nevertheless, it is equipped with a powerful battery that provides enough energy to cover more than 400 km. Remarkably, its speed is much higher than that of its competitors and reaches 185 km per hour. This is probably partly the reasons of the higher price about $32,000. People who know their way around motorcycles will know that the Brutus V9 is a cruiser. That means that it's ideal for long ride. Not only because of its technical characteristics, the model provides high stability as rumors travel backs, and unlike traditional bikes, has a very low noise level. Hammer 20. This bike was developed first and foremost for people who appreciate compassion and convenience and don't strive for aggressive appearance and want something simple. The Z20 is an electric bike developed by the American company Hammer. Its main feature is its folding design, which provides convenient storage and transportation. The battery provides up to 80 km of range and it's removable, which makes it easier to charge Other features of the smart control system, which provides high sensitivity and precise ocean controls. Also, users will like for 6-speed shifter for HEMO 23 modes of operation. It can be used as a regular bike, an electric bike, or in pedal assist mode. In any case, the maximum speed is 25 km per hour. The vehicle can be purchased for $800. Cake Calc OR. The $16,000 coat or motorcycle is the brainchild of the Swedish company Cake. It demonstrates high performance. It's able to take you to the most remote corners of the earth, and it allows you to not worry about the harmful emissions. It features a minimalist design and the materials were chosen with care. The CAC or controls are among the easiest in its class. There is no gear shifting. The rider only has to gain or maintain speed and then freak at the right moment. Speed and range depend on the driving mode too. There are three of them. The first one is perfect for exploration at 45 km per hour, and the battery lasts for 3 to 4 hours of riding. The second mode is more like enduro. The speed is up to 70 meter per second per hour and the ride time is 1 to 2 hours. Finally, in the last mode, the ride lasts no more than an hour, but you can reach a maximum speed of up to 90 km per hour. Oyo Bike. The manufacturers of the electric bike make a very bold statement. The Oyo bike will probably give you the smoothest ride of your life. That's because it's a world's first hydraulic chainless bike. When you ride, there is a continuous flow of hydraulic fluid between the pedals and the wheel. It controls the movement of the bike and ensures a smooth ride. But that is not all. Oyo bike saves you the trouble of shifting gears yourself. A special sensor built into the body collect data about the ride, such as speed, torque, and rhythm. The information is then analyzed and the bike selects the most suitable gear automatically. An additional advantage is the built-in anti-theft system controls through the Oyo app. Xeon Cyber X. The next bike on our list today guarantees that the rider will catch everyone's attention during the ride because it's impossible to miss a vehicle with such bright and unusual lighting. The Xeon Cyber X has a very futuristic design. The body is decorated with acrylic panels sharing the adjustable backlight inside. The power of the vehicle is 750 watts. It has a top speed of about 80 km per hour and they can travel up to 160 km on watt charge. The price starts at $4,300. Joe Hammer J1. The last product in our video is a futuristic electric bike with unique details and an unparalleled appearance. Instead of footrest on the ribbed aluminum body, it has ridges. The rear wheel is covered while the front wheel, on the contrary, is completely exposed. There is no place for a second passenger either, nor a luggage compartment. There is not even a traditional dashboard. The top speed is 120 km per hour. At the end of the video, do subscribe to our channel and also like and share the video with your family and friends. Thank you.